now. So this gets cancelled. Minus, bring this down. 16 x cube y raised to 4. Now start dividing. 8 2s are, and then x, and here y square, and sign. This is minus, this is minus. Okay. So what we want? Minus only. So minus into plus is minus. So bring plus over here, right? Get the signs correctly. When you multiply minus with plus, then only you will get minus, and we want minus only. Okay. So this expression becomes minus 16 x cube y raised to 4, and remainder is 0. So this is the quotient. Quotient is minus 4 x square y square plus 2x y cube. Okay. Next, factorize. What? This one. 4 into x plus y into 3a minus b plus 6 into x plus y into 2b minus 3a. Sir, anything can be asked in this question. It can be one of the factors is this. Check which one is the factor, like that. But basically you have to factorize. So what all can be taken as common from here? Firstly, write the expression as it is. Okay. Then x plus y can be taken as common. Then what remains? 4 into 3a minus b plus 6 into 2b minus 3a. Right? Solve this. So it becomes 12a minus 4b plus 12b minus 18a. Again solve this. X plus y into 8b minus 6a. Right? Check this. And then x plus y into 2 common 4b minus 3a. Write it properly. Equals to 2 into x plus y into minus 3a plus 4b. So these are the factors. Next, to watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha, plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.